Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories podcast. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us a lot. My name is Leo, and today is a very special day. Can you hear the bells? Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Leo, please stop singing. Hello, everyone. I am Anna. I am so happy to be here.
Anna, I am singing because today's topic is magical. Let me ask you a question, and I want to ask our listeners too. Do you like gifts? Do you like magic? And do you know the man in the big red suit?
Oh, I know him. He has a big white beard, he has a big round belly, and he says, ho, ho, ho.
Exactly. Today, we are going to talk about Santa Claus. Maybe you know him as Father Christmas, or maybe Saint Nick.
But do you know his story? How does he travel? Where does he live? And how does he enter your house?
Today, we have a short story about Santa's big night. By the end of this podcast, you will know all the Christmas vocabulary, and you will practice speaking with us. Are you ready for some magic? Let's begin.
It is December 24th. It is Christmas Eve. Santa Claus is at the North Pole. It is very cold and snowy. Santa is in his house. He puts on his red coat. He puts on his black boots. He puts on his red hat. He looks in the mirror and smiles. His white beard is perfect. Santa goes outside to his sleigh. His reindeer are waiting. There are 9 reindeer. The most famous reindeer is Rudolph. Rudolph has a bright red nose. Santa puts a big bag of presents on the sleigh. The bag is very heavy. It is full of toys for good children. Santa sits in the sleigh. He checks his list. He checks it twice. He wants to know who is naughty and who is nice. Then he shouts to the reindeer, "Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen. On Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen, and you, Rudolph, guide my sleigh tonight." Whoosh! They fly into the sky. They fly very fast. They fly over cities and towns. Santa lands on a roof. It is a small house. He jumps down the chimney. He lands in the living room. He puts presents under the Christmas tree. He eats a cookie and drinks some milk. Then he goes back up the chimney. He flies to the next house. He works all night. He says, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."
That was a lovely story. Anna, did you like it?
I loved it, Leo. It makes me feel like a child again. But there were some difficult words. Can we explain them?
Of course. Let's look at the vocabulary practice. I will say the word, Anna will explain it, and I will give an example. The first word is sleigh. S-L-E-I-G-H. It has a silent G-H. We say sleigh.
A sleigh is a large vehicle. It does not have wheels. It slides on snow. It is pulled by animals, like horses or reindeer.
Correct. Example, Santa flies in a magic sleigh. The next word is reindeer. What is a reindeer, Anna? Is it a dog?
No, it is not a dog. A reindeer is a large animal. It looks like a deer or a horse. It has big horns on its head.
Yes. Example, Rudolph is a famous reindeer with a red nose. The third word is chimney.
Anna, how does Santa get into the house?
He uses the chimney. A chimney is a long pipe or hole on the roof of a house. Smoke from the fire goes out of the chimney, and Santa comes down the chimney.
Exactly. Example, the house has a brick chimney. The next word is presents. This is my favorite word.
Me too. Presents are gifts, things you give to people to make them happy, usually in a box with colorful paper.
Example, there are many presents under the tree. The last phrase is check the list.
To check the list means to look at a paper with names. Santa looks to see names of children, and he wants to make sure he has gifts for everyone.
Example, I check my shopping list before I go to the supermarket. Okay, Anna, now we understand the story. It is time to practice speaking. I will ask questions about the story. You answer out loud. Listeners, please answer with Anna. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Question 1. Where is Santa Claus? Is he in Paris?
No, he isn't. He is at the North Pole.
Correct. He lives at the North Pole. Question 2. What does Santa wear? Does he wear a blue suit?
No, he doesn't. He wears a red suit, and he wears black boots.
Exactly. Red suit and black boots. Question 3. Who pulls Santa's sleigh? Do elephants pull the sleigh?
No, elephants can't fly. Reindeer pull the sleigh.
Yes, 9 reindeer pull the sleigh. Question 4. Does Santa have a bag? What is in the bag?
Yes, he has a big bag. It is full of presents. It is full of toys.
Right. Presents for good children. Question 5. How does Santa enter the house? Does he use the front door?
No, he doesn't use the door. He jumps down the chimney.
Imagine that. A big man in a small chimney. Question 6. What does Santa eat at the house? Does he eat pizza?
No, he doesn't eat pizza. He eats a cookie, and he drinks milk.
Perfect. Cookies and milk for Santa. Question 7. What does Santa say at the end?
He says, "Merry Christmas to all."
Great job, Anna. And great job to everyone listening at home. You answered the questions perfectly. Now let's do shadowing. This helps your pronunciation. I will say a sentence. I will wait. You repeat the sentence. Copy my voice. Copy my speed. Ready? Let's go. Santa Claus lives at the North Pole. He wears a red coat and black boots. His sleigh is pulled by reindeer. Rudolph has a bright red nose. Santa has a bag full of presents. He checks his list twice. He jumps down the chimney. He eats cookies and milk. Merry Christmas to all.
Wow, I think our listeners sound very professional. Your intonation is great.
I agree, Anna. Repetition is the key. The more you speak, the better you get. You did amazing work today. This was a long story with some new words, but you listened, you answered, and you practiced.
Yes, learning English is a gift to yourself, just like a Christmas present. Be patient with yourself. You are improving every day.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even Santa makes mistakes sometimes. Maybe he forgets a cookie, but he keeps going, and you should keep going too.
We are very proud of you.
Do you want to practice more? Do you want more stories? Check out our channel. We have stories about travel, food, and daily life.
And please like this video if you enjoyed the story. It helps us find more students. And subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson.
Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for listening. Now, I recommend you watch this video next. It is about New Year's resolutions. It is perfect for the next step in your English journey.
Have a wonderful day and Merry Christmas!
See you next time. Bye-bye.